Pastor went to the duck store.
Duck store. Okay, here was a lady, had to go to work. She walked past a pet shop every day to go to work, right? So, there was a parakeet that sat outside. Here, give her your mic. Parakeet. So she had to go past a pet shop every day, right, to get to work. And there was a parakeet that sat outside of the pet store. So the parakeet said, "Hey lady, you so ugly. Lady, you really ugly." So after about 5 or 6 days, she really was hot. She said, "I'm not going to take this anymore." So she parades inside the pet store. She says, "I demand to see the owner." So the owner comes out there, and so she told him what happened. He said, "Ma'am, I'm so sorry. He'll never say that again." So the next day, she's going to work, right? She walks past the pet store. The parakeet's sitting out there, and he says, "Hey, lady." She says, "Yes." He said, "You know."